There's different baseline assumptions you might make about ethics, whether it's primarily, if you like, oriented around the individual, the welfare and the flourishing of the individual, the rights of the individual, blah, blah, blah. Or rather, instead, it's primarily is or ought to be centered around the welfare of the flourishing of the rights of the community, the groups, right, society as a whole, blah, blah, blah. Okay, fine. There's some degree of tension there. Of course, it's a matter of degree. It's not binary, right? So it's not like people in the West don't care about outcomes and people on the East don't care about intentions or principles or anything like that. So it's a matter of emphasis, not either or, probably. And then I say, all right, so suppose that OpenAI or Google or Anthropic, whatever, they all happen to take a sort of more Western assumptions. Yeah, Western-centric assumptions. Okay, I take it that in my individual, I live in the West, I'm going to, let's assume that I have more Western-centric than I do Eastern-centric ethical views. I'm okay with that. I don't have any problem. I don't think I need to switch to their views any more than they necessarily think that I need to switch to their views. They might think, let 1,000 centric flowers bloom or whatever. And so I say, all right, so I'm a policymaker. I'm in the West. I'm creating policy for how the AI is going to be used within my jurisdiction, the West. So yeah, it's going to be built for more Western-centric audiences, but so what? Is that necessarily a bad thing? Yeah, what's the problem?